In this video, I renovated a garage that's about 50 years old. The garage was in decent condition overall, the roof wasn't leaking, and the walls were mostly intact. My goal was to turn this tired old garage into a bright storage space with modern lighting that could be rented out. I started by cleaning the walls and ceiling, removing anything unnecessary. I usually replace old locks with modern ones, and this time the job turned out to be more difficult than expected. It took quite a bit of effort, but in the end, the lock was successfully replaced. I decided not to plaster the walls before painting because it would have been extra work without much benefit. The walls would have been smoother, but it wouldn't add significant value to the garage. Since the space will be used for storage, it doesn't matter to the stored items whether the walls are plastered or not. My main goal was to get rid of the old, dark, and dirty paint and make the space brighter and more open. Looking at the lower parts of the garage walls and the paint damage, it's clear that there's no proper waterproofing between the walls and the foundation, causing the walls to absorb moisture from the ground. This moisture evaporates from the walls, leading to the paint and plaster peeling at the bottom. To improve ventilation, I installed vents in the doors and the back wall of the garage. These vents will help remove the moisture that tends to accumulate from the lower parts of the walls and floor. Since the building is around 50 years old, there weren't any vapor barriers installed under the floors when it was built. In some cases, a bitumen vapor barrier was installed between the walls and the foundation, but it seems this garage lacks proper protection, as the walls show signs of moisture damage. Items stored against the walls can also trap moisture, preventing it from drying. In the future, the space will have proper ventilation to keep moisture under control. Finally, I painted the garage doors with wood protection. Once the painting was done, I added the option to install a padlock, and the garage was finished. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.